Guys, I'm gonna be doing burps today. The reason why I'm acting tired because I just ran quite a bit today, so I'm gonna be doing burps. Let's get started. Oh God! For some reason, sometimes burps gives me hiccups. I don't know why. Oh God! I got the hiccups now. My stomach feels like fuck. Oh God. Oh yeah, and give me an idea to do something, but I can't make my stomach growl because my iPad, that's what I recorded on, can't pick it up. I would, if you're watching, whoever told me, I would, but the iPad can't pick it up, that's why. So if you want me to do anything else that the iPad could pick up, I'll do that. Hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe, and goodbye.